Guys, this is Jonathan Steadman, and today guys I want to show you guys a new program that is on the Arch Linux, and also can be installed on the actual Ubuntu and other distros like that in the terminal. So it's called Htop, which is basically like a task manager but for Linux. I only have it installed on the oh gosh, I have GNOME disks open. Let's close out of that. Okay, so now if I open up, I'm going to open up my VirtualBox, and then I can show you guys more about it and share my review about it. So it's like a task manager where it tells you how much of the CPU, how much of the RAM is being used up, processes that are happening for background. So if you start up Arch, because it's the only platform I got it on, yep, switch, should boot up to Arch, and then we can have a look at Htop. Okay, it's showed up these two messages for some reason. So yeah, it's loading Linux, and Linux is loading my my kernel, and now it's telling me that my but there's no file system errors because of dev SDA3 clean files. That means there's no problem here. Should boot up in a minute. But yeah, I used to use Htop on my main PC, but I don't anymore. I don't currently have it installed. And I would rather use a Pac-Man version anyway. Yeah, now I have booted up, right? Now we can put down a password, such as this is a password, right? We just put down password. Okay, we should be booted up straight away next to the terminal or something like that. And this is the XFCE edition. I always called it X-Force before though, but it is FXFXCE. That's what it is. XFCE, basically. This is the desktop environment that I'm using because it's very lightweight. And now we're in the terminal with my favorite desktop environment for a low spec PC. Anyway guys, so I've booted up to the XFCE environment or whatever, GNOME or whatever. I have to now we can do to install it. We'd have to do that because it's not pre-installed on Arch Linux. So we're going to have to do pacman -s, and I'll have to download Htop, and then it should install. It says to me it's up to date, but it's going to reinstalling it for some reason, which we don't want to do, so we have to best on no. Okay, so but I can still open up Htop, right? And this is basically what Htop is. Over here it shows you how much of the CPU is being used. For me it's very high up. But I don't really care about that. For memory is quite low, which is good because there's not much gigabytes in this virtual machine. There's only like 1 gigabyte. So if we're running this on an actual real PC and I have 4 gigabytes, I'll be running like a beast. And for the swap file, I'm not using anything. And this is how many tasks I'm doing is currently running, which is 43, and then one is running, which is a terminal. But this is how many things are running for background. Basically, is task 43, and running is like what I have currently opened with that one out. So I have the terminal opened. Uptime is how long we're on the system for, and then yeah, that's basically all you know. These are for stuff that's running in for background. So all these files, all these games, all these applications are running for background, and yeah, this is quite a useful tool in my opinion. Yeah, we can install it on most Linux distros nowadays. I find this a very useful software, but it's basically like Task Manager. Let me open up Task Manager. If I go all the way to the system, Task Manager, then this is what basically it is. It does this button for terminal mode. So this is what a task that's running for background. This is how much CPU, CPU, memory, and swap. So yeah, if we only have a terminal or something like that, then this is a great tool. If we don't like owning a graph user interface, or if we have to run a server, then this is gonna be a great tool. Personally, I like using it because it looks cool. But yeah, to exit, I have to press into Control C to exit from most stuff, and then clear. Also, I'll show you guys a very cool trick. If we do C matrix, then this is what happens. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I'm not going to tell you the keys I just pressed, but that's actually is pretty cool. Yeah, so we can do so many things in that mode. You have to press on Control C to exit game. You know, you can press on to exit, and that should log out of a route and exit if you wanted to. Or what? In our case, we're gonna power off. Yeah, because I had a good look at first. See Htop tool. Actually, I do think I have it installed on Linux Mint. I may have a look at that. So if I open up, go to the yeah, I do have it installed on here. I thought I didn't have it installed. Now you can open up that, and that should show up the same thing basically. This is how many CPUs I've got. This is a memory. This is a swap partition. There's 97 tasks running for background, which I think is like more of a third box or something. But not much of memory is used, so not much of a CPU. But it uses up more memory than the Arch Linux though. So yeah, there's two things that are running, photo box and screen recorder. There's 97 tasks in total that's running for background. So yeah, basically that's what it is. And if I press Control C, then this should just exit out of that. So yeah, I find this software program very useful. I hope that you guys find this video useful. And now you guys know how to actually have a task manager on your desktop. To install it on Linux Mint or Debian based distros, all I have to do is sudo apt install Htop, and then I have to put down my password. For me, it's a longer password. And then that should tell you there's no updates needed, but we'll add the person to Y, and then everything should be installed, and you can just type down Htop, and that should run it. Yeah, that's basically what Htop is. It does the task manager for terminal. Best one to Control C to exit, and then I can exit from the terminal, and that's it. So hey guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope that you found this video useful, and yeah, see you guys later. Bye.